Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Learners. In this video I am going to show you sorting list of items using custom key in Python. So here you can see there is a basic sorting example of numbers, and we have a sort method, and if you run this program you can see it sorts in ascending order. You know that in sorting there are two parameters you can provide. If you want to reverse the list, just provide a reverse parameter as true, and then it will reverse the list in a descending order. And if you want to go further, then you can also provide a custom function to do the sort functionality. So for that you need to pass the parameter name as key and then followed by the sort number, which is a custom function. So I have created a custom function here. It gets a value from this sort function, a sort method, and then it returns a value. So but here it is returning the same value, so we get the same output which the previous result we expected, that is sorting in descending order. So this is a basic example which all Python beginners go through. Suppose you have an advanced list, like list which has objects in it, and you want to filter those objects on a particular key. Then there is a challenge, and in this video I am going to exactly show you how you can do that. Here is a simple example of orders. This is a list which contains multiple dictionary, and here we can see that the main thing what we need to look at is the delivery status. So this is particular status is delivered, and here is a delivery status which is processing, and other things are out of delivery. Suppose we need to do a sort function in which we will be rearranging this particular all the objects within the list, and I want to display out of delivery in the first, then after that I want to display processing, and then at the last I want to display delivered. So for that you have to use a custom function to do that, and this is what the exact purpose of the video is, to show you how you can filter list on the complex conditions or on a custom key or within a list or within a dictionary. So here if I run this particular program, this file, and you can see that we are getting delivered, processing, and out of delivery too. So I want to display out of delivery as the first, followed by processing, and then delivered. So I will start by using sort by calling sort method, and here I need to pass a custom function. The function name is order sort. So I need to create this function now. So I'll create a custom sort function here and give it a name as a sort order. The first thing is it will take a single parameter only, which is the row by default, which is the object, we mean this object. Then I will provide a if condition, and I want to check whether the delivery status is equal to out of the delivery, and if it is out of the delivery, then I will return -1. So what does -1 do is it pushes this particular object in the first. Then if the order is processing, then I want to push it to the I don't want to push it, I just want to make the object to be there. So for that I will return 0, and the last is I will return 1. So what does 1 do? It will push the object to the left side. I have a sample diagram here. So suppose if for any object, if you return as -1, it will push that object to the left side of the list, and if you return as the 0, then it will stays the same, and if you return as 1, then it will go to the right side of the list, that is at the last. So -1 will come the first, 0 doesn't change, and 1 pushes the sort method pushes the particular object to the at the end of the list. This is how the sort function works. So here now if I come and if I want to if I run this, so here you can see first you receive that out of delivery, then the processing, then delivered. So this is, and so now we are getting output as we wanted. And if you want to reverse this, you can just add a reverse. You can pass parameter reverse is equal to 2. So basically this will reverse the list, and now the first thing what you will get is first thing you will get delivered, then processing, then at the last you get out of delivery. So this was all about sorting list of items using custom key in Python. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.